Welcome to our tutorial on how to change your profile picture visibility in Gmail on your PC. In just a few simple steps, you can control who can see your profile picture. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Step 2. At the top right corner of your screen, locate and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu. Step 3. On the drop-down menu, click on Edit next to your profile picture. Step 4. In the editing window, click on Visible to Anyone. This determines who can see your profile picture. Step 5. Change the visibility settings according to your preference. You can choose from options like Visible to Anyone, Visible only to people I can email, or Visible only to myself. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the visibility of your profile picture in Gmail on your PC. Take control of your privacy settings and customize who can see your profile picture. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.